फिरो राह में काली घटा रोक न ले मुझको ये काली घटा रोकेगी क्या ये तो खुद है मेरी जुल्फों के तले इन बहारों में अकेले ना फिरो
Excuse me,
Mm-hmm.
is the seat taken?
By nobody living. Please.
Okay, I guess
All
it was for me
yours.
then. Nice park, no?
Mm-hmm. It's quiet. Nobody likes silence anymore.
Ah, I guess silence is cheaper than the therapy.
True. So what brings you to this bar?
Well, my doctor advised me that I should take some fresh air.
Mm-hmm. That's
And-
good.
Yeah, but I think he meant was that I should not be bothering my family. And be away.
Strangely, that's the same advice I give myself.
Okay.
Yeah.
Do you come here often?
Yeah, it's a habit. I used to come here with someone.
Oh, someone special?
Mm-hmm. And you?
I guess I'm coming here, to practice being alone because I'm not used to it.
I'm sorry, I'm observing you.
Yeah?
It's your smile.
Is it?
Yeah, it reminds me of someone.
Oh, someone special?
Oh, yeah. But I lost him.
Oh. I lost someone too a few years ago. His name was Aman Sharma.
Aman Sharma.
Yeah?
The guy who would hang around in this cafe? The guy with the curly hair, dimples,
Yeah, but
mischievous smile.
how do you know?
Oh my god, this is going down memory lane. He was the love of my life for 2 whole decades. Yeah.
I'm sorry.
That's okay.
He was love of my life also for 6 to 7 years.
He didn't talk about anyone else?
Yeah, he didn't mention about you either.
That is strange. This is shocking. You have to excuse me.
Yeah.
wonders we have the same book. That was his favorite author,
Oh.
Malcolm Gladwell. See, he's written here, to Meera with love, Aman and you.
Sitting here.
Did he love you?
Yes. And you?
I didn't think he could love anyone else the way he loved me. You know, I met him when he was 25 years old. God, I'm going down memory lane. This is so overwhelming. He was so bright and loud,
Yeah.
full of mischief. He fell in love with my madness, and I fell in love with his warmth. You know how opposites attract? And you? How
Yeah.
did you meet him?
He came to my life when my life was upside down, and he saved my. I mean, after I met him, my life got completely changed.
Oh, he was a good soul.
Yes, indeed, he was.
So, I have never seen you here in this cafe, ever. So,
Yeah.
what brings you here today?
Today is his death anniversary.
Yeah, I guessed as much. For me, I've been coming here for 11 years now. And you?
Mine is 6-7. Would you be coming here tomorrow also?
Yeah, I come here every day. But you know, after knowing all this and we being here today, this is like I'm the other woman, you're the other man, and there's Aman. It's like we're lost in a Bermuda Triangle.
Mm.
Wow. So, after all this, do you hate me?
No, no, of course not. Only thing is, I'm angry at him. At least पता तो होना चाहिए था कि हम लोग भी exist करते हैं.
Yeah, he was afraid of hurting people. Ironically,
He did that.
You know, the space,
Mm-hmm.
this was his chair. He would sit here always.
Yeah, I remember. In fact, you know, he would sit like cross-legged like this with a childish grin
Yeah.
on his face.
He was always mischievous.
Yeah.
And maybe I think today that he played a mischief on us too.
Yeah.
Knowing him, well, he was a writer, so he knew how to make stories. This is really uncanny that he never introduced us together. But to think of it,
Yeah.
maybe he never wanted us to compete with each other. He wanted us to meet each other. You know, he was a writer, and that also meeting on his 10th anniversary
Right.
after all
I
this.
completely agree. And I think he's right now also.
Yeah, you know, he always said stories bring people together. Oh, what a writer.
Yeah.
Aman, you amaze me, man. We're actually living this story, aren't we?
Yeah.
You know, we must meet.
Yeah,
We
definitely.
must come here to keep this table alive.
Yeah.
Not only for him, for ourselves.
Or for the person who we know died.
No, it's not after losing the same person. It's after loving the same person. This table has so much of love of Aman.
Yeah.
You
right.
know, and we are his story characters. He built us. So we have to do this. And you know what? The first time he met me, oh, I'm sorry, I didn't introduce myself. Hi, I'm Meera.
Yeah, Han Raj. Right.
Yeah. So the first time that, you know, he met us, we met,
Yeah.
you know, he would always sing a song for me. And I think this is so symbolic right now. He would always sing, Suniye, kahiye, suniye, यूं ही कहते सुनते प्यार हो जाएगा. Let's do it for him. कहिए सुनिए सुनिए कहिए यूं ही कहते सुनते प्यार हो जाएगा.